What are you trying to throw that balloon at?
Yeah.
You trying to throw it at the computer?
Yeah.
Well, don't throw the balloon at the computer. It'll hurt the computer.
Yeah.
You little shaitan. Does your hand hurt?
Yeah.
Does it hurt? You feel better.
Better.
Feel better?
Yeah.
That's good. I'm glad we're at the ER at 8 o'clock at night. You're all better, huh? Yeah, you hit the computer, I know. Thank goodness it's just a glove balloon. Oh, you're so hurt.